Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is August the 10th, 2019, where we're here to give you all the news according to the charts and give you other people's perspective as to what they expect these cryptocurrencies to do in the future. If this is your first time coming to our channel, definitely want to make sure you are appreciated. We thank you for coming and watching our content. If you appreciate it, please hit that subscribe button, the bell notification as well, so you guys become notified of when we upload our content to YouTube. And as well, if you want to be a part of our community at our website at HueFinancial.com, definitely if you're interested, go there, sign up. The link will be in the description of the video as well. If you want to get our price forecast for many other altcoins in the space, and as well as what we expect and what we are anticipating to see for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Okay. So let's get on into our video for Litecoin today. The last time we did our prediction price movement for Litecoin was on August the 4th, 2019. This article that we're going to go through today came out August the 2nd. And today's August the 10th, so about 8 days that this article came out. But we just wanted to talk about some of the price predictions that people are expecting for this currency. Okay. So the title of this article reads, Litecoin Price Prediction 2019. What price can Litecoin reach this year? Now, literally, that's an open-ended question because Litecoin can hit all prices throughout the year of 2019. So it doesn't restrict it based off a time frame. It gives you 365 days, or in this instance, about half a year, to determine what prices Litecoin can reach. Okay. It goes into what is Litecoin, the prediction of Litecoin for 2019. But the thing I wanted to point out is that this graph here, okay, this is a graph from Digital Coin Price of their prediction for Litecoin throughout the year 2019. And if you can recall, July, they predicted Litecoin to be around maybe $160 or so. And when you look at the price chart, you'll notice that Litecoin did not reach, let's go to the months, did not reach $160 in July. The high of the month of July for Litecoin was $127. Okay. Also, you can see here back during March and beginning of the year, how Litecoin was trading between $30 all the way up there to $60. And this graph in this article, January, they expected the market price for Litecoin to be around $125. Then February, maybe $120, $115. Needless to say, this graph is wrong across the board. Starting off the year in January, we was around $30. So this graph is not a reliable depiction as to what the market in Litecoin has been doing. As a matter of fact, they're looking for the cost and price of Litecoin to be well above $100 for the whole year of 2019. We didn't crack $100 until May of 2019. And now we're below $100 right now. So only 2 months out of the year of 2019 have we seen Litecoin trade above $100. So definitely, I understand that people create articles to get views and drum up opinions. But when you see errors and mistakes and predictions so far away from what actually occurred, they need to update their graphs. Okay, that's at least the only thing I would rather people do. I mean, we understand that predictions and expectations can be wrong. I have no problem with that. But when it comes into past history, we need to see some updates to your prediction going forward, because even for 2019, we can see that Litecoin did not trade above $100. And even right here for the remaining half of 2019, they got Litecoin trading above $150. And the market's at $85 right now. This needs to be revised. And this is the website right here. If you guys see that this is the actual website, Digital Coin, and they give you forecasts and expectations as to what they expect the market to do. And here it is. July, $152.77. August, they're expecting the price of Litecoin to be at $147.37. We're at $85 for August. If we were to go to $147.37, let's go from where we are right now. Let's see how much of a percentage increase that would be. %70 move in the market for Litecoin within the next 21 days. The market has to move higher in price. So, I mean, obviously this needs to be updated or revised. That's the best thing that you can do in price forecast and price movement in the cryptocurrency space, or in any market, to where you're giving estimations and predictions. You have to do revisions, and this particular website is not doing that at all. And I find that quite alarming, to where people may be dependent on the information that is coming out from this particular website. So definitely for our people, our community, we definitely want to make sure that you continue to watch our videos, because we do a revision on our price predictions on a daily basis. Okay. So I just wanted to point that out. And here are some other websites, individuals, predictions and price movement for Litecoin for 2019. You have Finder. Okay. They're stating that Litecoin will be around $40, and also that the crypto is a good long-term investment. So this one looks logical compared to some of the other ones we're going to go through. Oracle Times, they're looking at Litecoin price prediction that the coin will reach $1,000 by the end of 2019. $1,000. Okay. So let's see how much of a percent increase that will be. So Litecoin has to increase 1,090% in order to reach $1,000 by the end of 2019. Okay. If we were to bring this out until 2020, which is right here, we literally have to shoot straight up for the month of September, October, November, and December. Okay. Not saying it's not possible, but it's a huge outlier. Now, Investing PR, they're on par with Oracle Times, the one above. They're expecting the coin to reach $1,000 by the end of the year. George Tung predicted that Litecoin's price might even go up to $1,500 by the end of 2020. CoinSwitch, Litecoin to keep its price between $150 and $250 values, and that's not occurring at the moment. Trading Beast, Litecoin price is forecasted to reach $88.68 by the beginning of December 2019, and is trading there now. The expected maximum price is $113.57. Minimum price is $77.23. This one looks a little bit more in line with how the market has been trading thus far. The Litecoin price predictions for the end of the month, it's going to be $90.86. So here we are looking at Kelly. He or she is the head of BK Capital Management. Litecoin price might hit $500, even $600 by the end of this year. Wallet Investor, they are allegedly a top price prediction platform that uses technical analysis, have forecasted that Litecoin will be traded around $400 when the year 2019 ends. And then we got Monte Carlo. Okay, Litecoin will reach a value of over $507 by the end of November this year. Crypto News, Litecoin might trade up to $200 by the end of 2019. In conclusion, we can see that Litecoin is expected to continue its bullish trend and surpass the $100 mark. And here we are today, not trading above $100. Now, while some predictions are more optimistic than others, the general sentiment is that there will be a positive price movement for the altcoin. The impending block halving, which has already occurred, is scheduled to happen this month. It's also expected to drive prices up. Now, it did that, and it occurred right here on August 5th, to where the market in Litecoin drove up all the way up there to around $107 and immediately came right back down. Okay, so here's our predictions for Litecoin. As I stated earlier, we did our video for Litecoin on the 4th of August, and we were expecting this market to move to the downside. And literally, we didn't anticipate the market to shoot as high as it did on the halving day, but nevertheless, after conclusion of this daily price bar, we knew that we were correct in our analysis of Litecoin moving to the downside. Okay, so we expected 3.5% profit target in the market, but if we were to drag it down to where we are today and get out the market as of this recording, we will have 7.5% profit to the downside. So relatively simple to see and understand what the market is anticipated to do without no confusion. So let's get rid of that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom out and I want to show you how this market in Litecoin is not following this trend line that we got drawn to the upside. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. Well, yeah, I'm going to get rid of this, but I'm going to make it into a consolidational trading range, a channel. Okay, because during this particular time period of the month of July midpoint, it became affirmative that the market is not going to trade above that ascending line. So what we're going to do, we are going to create a channel in the market for Litecoin. Okay. So this is our new channel in the market in Litecoin. I'm going to extend this out a little bit further here. And this is the expectations of what we're looking at in the market in Litecoin to do over the next couple of days, 2 weeks, is to trade in between this channel. Now, obviously, you can tell that support in the market in Litecoin is going to be around $80. Okay. All in all, $70 to be support too. So yes, we are seeing some minor strength coming to the market today. And that's because the market is trying to hold $84 for support, which is possible, but pay attention to the volume. We're not getting a lot of conclusive evidence that the market is following that move to the upside in price. Okay. And this is the point I wanted to bring out for the long term in the market in Litecoin, is that based off what we got on this weekly chart, we're looking for the market in Litecoin to continue its move to the downside. And we're going to hold this area right here, $100 or so, for resistance. And in the long term, maybe $70, $71 in around that particular price to be support. Okay, so this is definitely a long-term outlook of what we're getting in the market in Litecoin. Okay, so definitely this is what we're anticipating the market to do. If we don't break right around here to the upside in Litecoin, then this movement to the downside is definitely in play. Okay, so this is going to be our expectations in the market. I would TP Litecoin at $80, especially if we see volume appear and a strength bar appear on this price chart. Okay, so TP would be around $80. But all in all, this is still the trend in the market in Litecoin of it holding this trading channel. And currently the move is down towards this support line that we got drawn on our chart. So there you go. This is our expectations for Litecoin going forward. We'll see how the market plays out, and if anything changes, understand that we will revise our forecast. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you later.